Hello student, again going to that same topic of expression and equations. I beg for the apology. So in the last expressions I have written a biquadratic expression. Sorry student, it is not a biquadratic expression, it is a polynomial expression. So you can see that error what I have written in that, please make the changes. It is a polynomial expression, means more than 3 terms are known as what? Polynomial expressions. Now these are we are talking about now expressions. Now here we can see this part, like suppose some more example if I write here 2x plus 5, 3x square plus 2x plus suppose here 7. Here if I write like 7x cube plus 3x square. Okay, 7x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 here. Now in this particular thing, in each case you can see all these are algebraic expression. Again these are algebraic expressions. Now again if I see this here, so this is an algebraic expressions in the variable x. So this one here, so in this I can see that it has got, so degree means what? You can write a power right here, power or degree of the x or the variable, right? So here variable is what? X is 1. Here power or degree of the variable is 2. Here 1, here 2. Is 1, is 2. And here what I can write? Power or degree of the variable is 3. This one. Now you can see there are different kinds of algebraic expression given in x. One is 2x plus 5, other is 3x square plus 2x plus 7, next is 7x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So here in this particular algebraic expression, maximum power of the variable is what? 1. Hence power or degree of the variable is 1. Here maximum power of the variable is what? 2. Here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 0. Here nothing means 0. Here 3, here 2, here 1 and here 0. Which means if I compare the powers, so in this expression it has got 1, because here it is 1, here it is 0. So among 1 and 0 this is maximum. So degree of the variable is 1. If I compare the power of the variables in each of these term, so this is called what? The maximum one. So hence power degree of the variable is 2. Similarly here if I compare each one of them, the maximum power is 3 over here. The power or degree of the variable is 3. So here I can tell you that, just wait, look here. Here we can see the first one, that is 2x plus 5. So this what? Degree is 1. So it is known as what? This one, it is known as linear expression. And here next I wrote 3x square plus 2x plus 7. This one. So the degree is now 2. Clear? Degree is what? 2. So hence this is known as what? Quadratic expression. Now last I have written here as 7x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So its degree is 3. So it is called what now? Cubical expression. Clear? Now, whenever the power of the variable is 1, we call it as linear expression. Now, followed with this, if I write here more now, in this, write the same thing over here, like 2x plus 5 is equal to now 7. This one. Clear? Now, this whole thing, this whole thing, we called as what now? This one, we call them as linear equation. Is it clear? Now, expressions and equations. So, expression means what? Without the equality sign. Without the equality sign, we call it as the expression. Now, when I combine this particular expression with some equal sign, such that it is equal to some what, any number or any variable on the right hand side. So it can be written here as, or we can write another form in what, like 2x minus 4 is equal to, suppose here x. Even this is also one kind of an linear equation. So here also this is also one kind of the linear equation. Clear? It means on the other side of the equal sign, it may have got what, number, or it may have got some variable also. So if it has got number on the other side of the equal sign, then also it is called linear equations. If it has got some variables on the other side, then also it is known as linear equation. So under the third point, what we are going to cover now? Third point, linear equations in one variable. So here the points which I have shown you, 2x plus 5, 2x minus 4 equal to x. So what is linear equation in one variable over here? So what I will write here? Any algebraic expressions given in one variable whose degree or power is 1 and it is equal to some numbers or variables are called linear equations. Linear equations in one so you can see here, these all expressions are what, linear equation in one variable. So one variable means what? Here it is x, even here is also x. So better we can write here linear equations. This is what, linear equation in one variable. Is it clear? So these are what? Linear equation in one variable. It means in part A, the topics what we have covered, introduction. Also we have read about what? Difference between expressions and equations. And the third point what we have read, linear equation in one variable. I have shown you various examples also, and even I have made you understand that what do you mean by different kind of the algebraic expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Now when those algebraic expressions followed with some equal sign become equal to some number or the variables, now those are called what? Either linear equation in one variable, or it can be as quadratic equation, or it can be a cubical equation. But without the equal sign, if I write only this expression, it is known as linear expressions, or quadratic expression, or cubical expression. But if that expression is given equal to some number or the variable, like here I have shown you 2x plus 5 equal to 7 and 2x minus 4 equal to x. So all these are what? Linear equation in one variable. Clear? So let us move ahead now. Let us now cover the next topic of this particular chapter.